Hello, boys and girls. Today is a very exciting day, as you can probably tell from the title. It's actually Mads's birthday night out, so I am so excited. Obviously, I've started getting ready. I've already done my eyes, and I do have lash extensions on at the minute, which is why I've done a little bit more of a natural eye. My lash extensions are by Janet, Glamorous Lashes at London. I'll put her Instagram down below. And I'm actually getting my hair done. Me and Mads are getting our hair done. I'm having so many comments on my hair colour at the minute, and I'm really glad that you all like it. It's by Catherine Bowden, if you want to know. I'm chatting so much shit now, like honestly, I'm just in a really good mood. Sun's out, okay, it's Pride weekend, bank holiday weekend, like it's just a good time, you know? Yeah, me and Mads are getting our hair done, which is why, to be honest, I already curled mine yesterday, so it doesn't actually look that bad anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna do skin, and then I'm gonna go and head over and see Mads, and we're gonna have our hair done and pre-drink and then go out and everything. It's very exciting time. Claus, I've not actually seen her in ages as well, because she's been in Dubai celebrating her birthday, so I've been a lonely claw, what can I say? But yeah, I thought we'd just have a little bit of a chat and a little bit of a catch up, you know, because it's been a hot second. I was in Bali with Motel Rocks recently, so that took up like over a week of my life. And you know what, I really tried to vlog, but I feel like the world was just against me whilst I was there. Like so many issues went wrong, so many things went wrong. I had so many issues with like my camera and stuff. Not to make excuses, because I know I'm slacking on the uploads at the minute, but still. And then yeah, I've just been like enjoying time with like friends and family since it's been my birthday. I can't believe it's been a month now. It's actually a month today because it's the day after Mads' birthday. It's the 24th of August. So tonight we are celebrating again. I'm very excited. It's actually the opening night of Cirque in Manchester, which we've been to Cirque in London a couple of times, and it's like always a wild night out, so I'm very excited to see what it's going to be like. What else have I done recently? Oh, I went to the Ariana Grande concert in London with Lullabells, which was honestly like such a good night. Like obviously seen her live before and she's just unreal, like she's so good. So that was fun. I got to see Rachel as well. I feel like I don't see Rachel enough, like it's so annoying. And then she was off to New York the next day, or the day after, sorry, with Makeup Revolution, so it was nice to like see her and catch up. I should probably have put a t-shirt on because I feel like I'm gonna have to blend down my neck, but whatever, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Thank you. I don't know what to expect with Cirque in Manchester. I'm pretty sure it's where Toy Box used to be, if anyone ever went there, which, not gonna lie, like it wasn't my favorite club at all. I think we went like twice and then just never went again. Oh my god, yeah, I remember like I put in my birthday vlog as well a little bit about how we had such an issue at China White on my birthday weekend night out, which was on a Saturday. Honestly, like going out in town on a Saturday is like for the brave. I've just completely fucked up that brow, so great. Thank you, Hannah. Brows are actually the bane of my life. Like I hate doing them. Did that fix it? I mean, no, but still. Can I even see? Absolutely not. Blend, 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 blend. My skin's actually really behaving at the minute, which is a nice change. So I feel like I'm really enjoying doing my makeup. I don't know why, it sounds really silly, but I never like putting my makeup on when my skin's breaking out. I don't know why, I just prefer to like leave foundation and stuff off because it just feels so much heavier on the skin. A L'Oreal foundation stick, you know the drill. You know what, I reckon there's a lot of you that could actually guess like my makeup routine product for product, because I just use the same shit every day.
No see na 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 na, no see na 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 na. I think about you day and night. Yeah, yeah. Why can't I let go of it? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna buy you about we take a little bit of time.
I'm getting wrinkles, honestly. Turned 22 and I'm like, I need Botox, Jesus.
And never means good things, good things, good things.
Had a very sad day. Look at my nylon. Go on. Right, I literally did that as quick as I possibly could without making it look like a sack of shit, even though it kind of already does. So great. Bit of a nude lip, bit of tiramisu, bit of Penelope pink. Lovely. Okay. Right, I need to take those out. I've just printed out this photo because me and my mum bought a caterpillar cake for Mads as well as a Costco cake, and I'm gonna try and cut this up and stick it on the front and then like bring it to a room with candles on. What? Honestly, there's like no other cat like you. You're just a Fruit Loop. You're just a Fruit Loop. Oh my god. Wow. She's gonna hate that. I feel like that's a bit big for a caterpillar cake. What to wear today, boys and girls? So, oh, to be fair, I never wore that either. I mean, I never got a picture in that either. That was the other House of CB dress that I wore. So I wore these on my birthday. I wore that on the weekend and that on the Thursday night to live. And I'm tempted to re-wear one just for just to get like a cute photo, because I know Mads is wearing white as well, so it was like, we said like it'd be cute if we were twinning or whatever. I also have that from House of CB, but it's kind of more of like a summer dress, so I don't think I'm going to wear that. I'm just going to have to pick and decide quickly because I'm running out of time, so see you there. I feel like that might be a better size. Excuse my hair.
God, I can't quite remember. Yeah. Do you remember that, Matt?
Not really. I don't know, sort of vaguely.
Then turned round the thing on the bottom and it had like a scene of the story that they were going to tell you.
On play school?
Yeah, it went round.
Lovely.
Hello. Hello. Do you know what? I actually need to download the new emojis because people send me stuff all the time and I have no idea what it is.
Oh.
Close. Hello there. Just with the drinks.
Just with the alcohol priorities.
All of the alcohol. See you there.
Hello everyone.
Doing up.
This is the update. I was very much in a rush when I left the house before. Update, hair is done. Alicia killed it as always. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I've got extensions in, of course. Me and Mads are always living the extension life. You know how it is.
I'm bald.
Alicia did like the best job.
Best job. I feel like I've got princess hair.
Literally princess hair. I love how we like pink and blue. Hello. I missed you.
I miss you.
But yeah, honestly, like I'm living for it.
I'm living. I love getting my hair. It's
Same. It's like the best feeling ever. We just ordered McDonald's priorities. We've also got some gin. Thank you, Claw. Sambucas, essentials. Oh, look at you with the paper straws. Lovely. But yeah, we're gonna have some nibbles and get drunk. Say no more.
Hello everyone.
Hello there.
Both in our satin pyjamas.
Lovely. Lovely, Claw.
This tan actually looks quite nice.
Actually
for
looks really
once.
good.
Let me move my
Can you sit and
glasses.
entertain for a minute whilst I get changed?
Always.
I'm gonna see what it looks like, Claws.
Hello everyone.
A little fashion show in
Which
a second.
one's which?
I
Wait.
actually have no idea.
Hello both claws. I think mine's the one with the makeup all over it. If I'm right, then there we go. So, it's my birthday claws. You already know this, but I don't know which one's mine. Yesterday, today, tomorrow and Monday is my birthday day because I've not celebrated my birthday ever. This is the first time I'm actually celebrating it. So, if you don't know why, then I did mention it before, but I was brought up a Jehovah's Witness and they don't celebrate birthdays, so pretty little thing. In fact, we need the speaker up here. That reminds me. I'm gonna go get the speakers, Claws, and I'll be back.
Oh my god, my eyes.
That is my favourite thing I've ever received in my life. Cake, which
no, because we're saving this cake, so I was like, do you know what? We need an actual birthday cake for you.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden this.
Oh no, I've cried.
I need to actually pull these out. Yum.
We're tucking in. So Madison the caterpillar.
Oh my God, she tastes very delicious actually. She's covered in chocolate at the minute. So
She needs to go to bed. Just like we do. Beautiful.
I'm trying to do the same face.
We're just finishing getting ready. We were going to go for pre-drink somewhere, but
Never
as
happens.
always, no, it just doesn't happen. We were too busy laughing at the cake, to be honest. That took up like a good hour. But yeah, we're just finishing getting ready.
Here she is with chocolate smeared all over her mouth. I actually can't believe you did that. Like, we was joking about it before. Why was we joking about it? Where did that come from?
Because I said, because we were talking about getting a cake for tonight.
Yeah.
And then I was like, my mum's going to Costco, so she can get a Costco cake if you want. Or I can pick up a caterpillar cake and just stick your face on it.
Just stick your face on it.